How to fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. Firstly, open and launch the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure to log in or sign into your particular account on TikTok. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now, select Settings and Privacy at bottom of the screen. Scroll to the bottom and now under Support and About, you can tap on Support button. Here, select Help Center. You need to wait for a moment. So on this Help Center, here are different kinds of popular articles. But with the help of the search bar at the top of the screen, you can easily write in here fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. So let's write in and search for the article. So with that topic, we have got 4 results for fixing unoriginal content strikes. If you don't find here also, you can simply tap on report a problem at bottom of the screen under helpful link. So let's tap on it and open the link. So under report a problem, you can easily select a topic since it is related to video and sound. You can simply select video and sound. So let's open it and tap on other. Now again select Other. Tap on No as your problem has not been resolved yet. Tap Need More Help. And here is the main part where we can contact the TikTok customer service. We need to add the feedback here. So let's write in. So you can either explain it by yourself or else you can also copy the feedback here. Now tap on Submit and after 24 hours or 48 hours, your issue of unoriginal content strikes on TikTok will be fixed by the customer service of TikTok. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.